Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel. Let's learn automation, and today we are going to see the logical program to find the Armstrong number. So first of all, we'll see the logic or how what is the Armstrong number, and then we'll try to develop the logic for that. So let's move to the Eclipse. For this, I will create one new class and will name that class name as a um, Armstrong number, like this. And here, first of all, we'll try to understand what is Armstrong number. So basically, for example, we have a number like 37. It's an Armstrong number, and why it is so? Like if we multiply or if we try to find out the cube of every number, like 3 into 3 into 3 plus 7 into 7 into 7 plus 1 into 1 into 1, so that becomes 371. This is what the logic. Okay, so Armstrong number is a number whenever we try to find out the cube of every number and add all of them, so that addition also become the same number. So this is what the Armstrong number, and now we need to develop the logic for this. So here, first of all, I will take one number or declare one number as a 371, and now first of all we'll print the, you can say that original original number equals to plus number. Now we need to develop the logic. So for that, first of all, we will apply a condition while num greater than should be 0. Okay, our number should be 0, always 0, then only this condition will be executed. So here, what I need to do, I need to find out the cube of every number. So for that, I need to separate every digit from this number. So for that purpose, I will use one variable like rem, that is remainder, and here I will calculate rem equals to the original number modulus 10, because if I apply the operation of modulus 10, then I will get the last number as a single one as a single number. So like 371 modulus 10, if I applied, so I will get one separate. Okay, and if I apply like 370 modulus 370 modulus 10, then I will get a 0, because there is the 370 is completely divisible by 10, so we are getting 0 over here. But in this case 371 is not completely divisible by 10. At last we will get the remainder as a 1. So this is the useful term for calculating the separate number or to find out the separate number. So now here we got the separate number, so we'll calculate the sum. So for this I will declare one variable as a sum equal to 0. So now sum equal to sum plus means 0 plus the remainder. Remainder means remainder, like we are getting 1 over here, so we will try to find out the cube of remainder. So remainder into remainder into remainder. So here what we got, sum equals to cube of remainder. So 0, first of all sum is 0 plus cube of remainder means what, 1 into 1 into 1. So finally we'll get the 1 over here, and after that we need to find out the cube of 7 too. So for that we need to update the number. How we can update the number? So like number equals to number by 10. In this way we can update the number. So if I do like this, 371 divided by 10, so I will get the new number like 37. Okay, so now how this loop will work? So first of all, the condition will be checked that number is greater than 0 or not. Yes, we know that number is greater than 0, so it will enter into the loop, and here it will find out the remainder from the 371. So 371 modulus 10 equals to 1. Okay, now we need to delete this, no need of that. So here we got the 1, and now in a sum, we try to find out the cube of 1. So sum equals to sum means 0 plus rem 1 into 1 into 1. Like this we are getting 1. Then we need to update the number. So for updating the number, I am dividing the number by 10. So now from the 371 number become 37. Okay, and it will not show the remainder because it's an integer value. If it is float, then it will get the it will see like 37.1, but as it is a integer, we will only get the 37. Now the number is updated. Again it will check for the condition, like 37 is greater than 0, so condition is true. Then here we'll get the 37 modulus 10, and here I will get the new number as a remainder as 7. And finally we will again find out the sum. So here you can say that sum is 1. Okay, as per the formula, sum equal to sum plus remainder cube. So sum is 1 over here, and here we need to find out or add the cube of 7 into 7 into 7. So I think it becomes 344. So again the number is now we need to update a number. So now the number was 37 before. Okay, so now 37 modulus divided by 10, so it become 3. Sorry, it is, I think, 37, okay, divided by 10, so the number become 3. It is correct. Now again it will check for the condition, as the condition is correct or not. So we can say that 3 is greater than 0. Again condition is 2. This number is 3 now. 3 modulus 10, so this become 3. In the place of 7, this become 3. And again we need to find out the sum. So sum was like 344 before, and now there will be addition of cube of 3, like 3 into 3 into 3, and it become 371. And again it will find, now the number was 3 modulus, sorry, 3. Now 3 divided by 10, so it becomes 0, and 0 greater than 0, this condition falls. So now finally what we got the 371 as a sum or the final result. So here we can write down the result equals to plus sum, and if we try to execute it, then we are getting the 371 itself. Now still we haven't checked that it's a Armstrong number or not. So for that we will apply the condition, if number we can say that equal to 371, we can say that, or sum we can say that, because both are sum. So if the number equal to to sum, then we can say that, here we can write down NUM plus is um, this ARM strong number, and in else we write down is not a Armstrong number. So let's run it. So what it says, 0 is not Armstrong. Why it is 0? 0 is, let's try to give some space over here. So it's saying that 0 is not an Armstrong number, so we are comparing num. Okay, so what happened here, the value of num is changed as a 0, or the value of num is updated as a 0. So this is not useful for us. So what we can do, we can declare one more variable num1, and we'll assign the value of num to num1 like this, and here we'll apply like this. So now let's check. So now original number is 371, result is 371, and 371 is the Armstrong number. This is our final result. So in this way we just try to find out the given number is Armstrong number or not. Thank you.